Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. We are a handmade box production factory with 17 years experience. We can make packaging boxes for different products and create high-end customized packaging specially for your brand to make your products stand out. We have had a bulk printing machine, and various colors can be realized according to your requirements. We can do also various surface treatments such as lamination, varnishing, spot UV, hot stamping, embossing, debossing, graining, and etc. Our factory has professional masters to complete every step of the process from die cutting to production. The workers in our factory has more than 5 years packaging experience. Our factory customizes different kinds of packaging boxes according to customers' needs. These are the boxes we have made, which have won the recognition and the love of our customers. Next, I will show you different types of handmade packaging boxes. Flower box. Our flower boxes have different shapes, such as round, square, heart shape, etc. We can customize each box to the size you want. In addition, we also can provide PE foam to handle the flowers. Perfume box. We have made round boxes, right angle 2 pieces boxes, drawer boxes, double door boxes, and etc. We can customize various compressed box styles and compressed craft. Did you have a favorite box style? Candle box. We have made irregular candle boxes, right angle 2 pieces boxes, linked boxes, etc. We can also provide EVA insert to protect your products. Chocolate box. We can make chocolate boxes of different shapes and materials according to your preference. From simple to compressed, we can handle it. We can also provide blister and food-grade butter paper to protect chocolates. Candy box. Do our special shaped boxes attract your attention? We are good at making all kinds of unique shaped boxes, and we can also make Christmas calendar candy boxes. Unique packaging boxes can increase the sales of candy. Do you have a box you are interested in, or do you have any ideas? We can help you realize it. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to contact me if you have any needs.